Hey, Inflewence here, and today I have the Robosen auto converting transforming Megatron, and I'm going to unbox this. Usually I reserve unboxings for my members, so go join memberships, but I decided to put this abridged unboxing on the channel for everybody. So join the memberships, subscribe, share, appreciate it.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
You got the outline of Megatron on the box. Turn it around. Got this nice purple. It's embossed, whatever, however you call it. Got the half Decepticon, half Megatron's face. And over here you got just some stuff that it does. Conversion, cognition, stability, accessibility, mobility, and flexibility. I guess so you can have something to target. Quick start guide. You get another guide and you get the sword in here. I do like the sword. Oh, it glows. I'm surprised they got the batteries in it. Got the troll food, these missiles, I believe, for the tank. This is probably the power pack. Thankfully, I mean, at least they could do. Cell phone people need to take note. And USB-C to USB-C, and you get the mace. Mace is rubber, has plastic chain, but it does do that, and I don't know if it does anything. No, I don't know. It has screws under here, but I don't think the mace lights up. Yo. I ain't gonna lie, this case is robust, but this thing is humongous. I can't. Yo, I didn't realize it was this big. It's big. I've seen it on videos. I've seen it places, but yo, it is big. Take some of this off. Like, it's big. I'm gonna keep saying it because it's impressive how big it is. So let me see if I can get this out of this plastic, or the. Looking at the box, I was kind of disappointed at the size of it, because I'm like, oh man, this thing don't look that big. Nah, it's big. Off because it's the power button up here, and it does have a sticker with the power on it, but it's not on here, so there's no power button that you can see. I do like that they kind of hide it on. So let me. Lights came on.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
I don't know if you heard that, but it came on. Barrel came out. Everything seems good. Let me turn it off.
Peace through tyranny.
It is quite heavy. You can see. Let me put it. I don't normally do this with the unboxings, but let me get a figure so you can just see how big it is. Maybe you can tell. You can see. So that's probably gonna be my vehicle comparison for the review. So that's definitely a chunky big boy.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Man, Frank Walker is sounding great on there too. Woo-wee! So I'm gonna get this thing together. I'm trying not to play with it too much, and I'm trying to get the review up. They get a 40th anniversary. I don't know if they gave this with the other ones. I would think not, because this is like the 40th anniversary, and when the other ones came out, it wasn't the 40th anniversary. So I don't know, but it came in this thing, which I kind of should have known it was something other than a book coming in something like this, because the other coins, there have been other coins. But I also wanted to cut in because I want to have documentation of the first time I see this thing transform. So I'm gonna do a voice command, see if it works. Hey Megatron.
What's wrong?
Convert.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Wild. Yeah. And yeah, all this stuff now you can take off.
What's wrong?
Sorry, Megs, I ain't say nothing. They definitely have a lot of plastic, a lot of protection. So that's cool. I think it's, yeah, it's stuff on here. I can't get it. There we go. Got little tabs on everything. I'm just being quick with it. Yeah, there's a lot of parts that go up and down and stuff, so they kind of protect those parts from moving. So I think that's cool. I love how he's breathing. His eyes just... There's a sticker to let you know the touch panel. I'm sure we all seen the commercials by now. This is quite impressive. Quite impressive. And I don't care that the design isn't exactly what I want. It kind of looked like Cabana Wars to me. It still does. But it's... I keep saying plastic. That I missed. But yeah, this is crazy. And the fact that it's rechargeable, I'm actually quite all right with my purchase. Just from that little bit. Now the key is, let me show one more thing. My bad. My fault. Listen, I'm trying to turn you off. I don't know where the off button is in this. I assume it's on the back. Okay. I just want to see what it does when you turn it off. Is this the right one? No, this one.
Peace through tyranny.
Yeah. This is the only, and this is why I do this. This is the only bad part. You see, he done crumbled in a pile when then you gotta turn it back on. And he should stand up. Yeah, so there's
Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
and there's that.
Ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.